arrived. More of my auction purchases. Too big to open on the table there. Don't know if I got many more coming after this. So might be a bit of a break in unboxing of these things. Packaged fairly decently, actually. So first, here we go. Got a bunch of snap caps. So some 12 gauge snap caps. 22 long rifle. And 9mm. Always good to have around when you're working on them. Okay, first. Smallest one first here. Gotta be careful, I don't want to cut in and scratch any of the metal or cut into the wood. Sometimes buying an auction is almost like unwrapping Christmas presents. So when you buy online, you never really know what you're going to get. So crack in the wood, some hammer marks. This one was sold as a just a standard model, but it is a takedown. Oh, missing screw there. Don't see anywhere for it to go though, but action works pretty nice. This is an 1890 Winchester. So it's got the tube mag on there, hexagon barrel, iron sights. It's in kind of rough shape, but I can repair that wood with some filler. I'm not looking for a restoration again. It's another rehabilitation. But no, overall not bad. The stock is quite worn, the forced stock I should say. But some of that pitting I won't be able to get rid of. It'll just be too much sanding in that. But once you get it re-blued, I've done the hot oil bluing, I've done rust bluing, I did super bluing on my Belgian double barrel. This video's almost done. I've just got to finish assembly on it and get it edited and get it up. I didn't realize when I started this how much time the editing would take. Everyone was telling me it's about getting actual content, and I have so many little projects and it's what I love to do. If I could make my living just fixing old stuff and working on old guns, old cars, I'd love to do that. That one is in quite nice shape. Gonna have to check the head. I don't recall I'm saying that it was jammed in any fashion. Okay, this one comes apart nicely at least. Well, I'm going to have to look into this. All right. It's the one I was the most hopeful for, actually. I'm a little disappointed in that. I have to look back on the ad, but and an old single shot. Oh, that's always nice to see some hammer marks on a receiver. You know it was cared for. Jeez. I think I paid $25 for this piece of junk. So well, another project. Single shot Excelsior. So I got a broken spring in here for sure. And I've got a big bucket of parts though, at least. The barrel's actually not bad. The bluing's turned brown and gray, but it can be polished up. It's not pitted actually. Very light, if any. All right, well, that is my the newest additions to the collection. Welcome to the family, guys. Well, I'm gonna start working on this one, see if I can figure out what is jammed on it. Always something, it seems. Thanks for watching. I might as well start the little teardown of this.